actually, who's ready to actually tonight? Are we some actually? Oh shit, wait, actually I don't know the picture of my computer. I was gonna whip out the actually means cute. I don't know where it is on my computer anymore. I cleaned up my computer recently. I don't know where it is. I have absolutely zero idea. Welcome tonight, everyone, to the math homework stream. Green box. I told you, the boxes came today. There's boxes of figurines and plushies in there. There's so much bullshit in there. I told you, I've been packing all day today. I'm tired, and now I'm gonna do some math homework. I made great choices today. I don't know what the song is either. It's just a study and Sekai playlist. How we doing? Nice, everybody. Let's see who's here. Let's start with Twitch chat. Who's here? How you doing, Kyra, Nelkin, Dynasty, Rainbow, Demi? Happy birthday, Demi. How you doing, Asfi, Carwall, Louie, Angel, Mizu, Banana? How y'all doing tonight? Good luck with the touring, brother. Let's see who here then YouTube chat. How you doing, Flinchy? Been a while. Soph, good to see you. Super Kalen, Rainbow again. Wonder how are you? Erica, Boxer. Who else do I see? How you doing, Daya? How you doing, April? Just a person. Hello, Yuki, Axolotl, Bleep, Denny's are cools. Me.
Oh, see.
That's crazy for a stream. Why is it out of focus again? I think it's a sub on YouTube, Juno. Who else? And Wonder, how y'all doing tonight? Bro, are we out of focus again? This camera's pissing and shitting on me right now. We're good, we're good. Oh, can you only watch us by saying there's a math stream? It is a math stream, bro. I got my nerd notebook out. I got my nerd notebook here. I was such a doofus. I was like packing, and then it's like 10 minutes before the stream, and I'm like, where the fuck are my pen and paper? I packed all the pen and paper away. So I was like freaking digging through boxes, and I'm like, where the fuck is my nerd notebook? Where is it? So I literally dug this out of a box, the nerd notebook, and a pen. So we actually have utensils tonight. Yeah, we are gonna do it in paint still, so you can see what I'm writing. But just in case we get real, we have to lock in. I brought the pen and paper. I really love shower. Gonna miss math. It's okay. Gonna be math. They can't hear this. Me over the dog. What's the dog name? Camera's having a stroking it. Yeah, I don't know why. It is a much worse camera than the old, but it does the job. I don't do physics. I haven't done physics since the 11th grade. I did grade 11 physics. I wasn't very good at it. No. I don't know why. Science, I'm really bad at science, even though like I'm good at math. It doesn't make any sense. No, people gave me very real submissions, bro. Some of y'all, I didn't put like a maximum, like, oh, you can't, like, maximum, you can't give me like whatever. I had to just send your math homework. Now, some people, they send like, middle school math homework. Somebody sent me their, literally like a problem set question you'd see in like university math. And if you sent that, I'm so sorry, your Discord image link expired. You can resend that if you want. But literally, some of these questions were like fucked up. Actually, you know what? No, I saved the question onto my computer because I was like, this is the most fucked up question I've seen anybody ever send me. I'll show you on stream. We literally can't do it. It's too difficult for me to do. Where the fuck did I put it? Hold on. Yeah, you know what? I have the two images. No, perfect. I have the two images. I'll show them on stream. We literally cannot do either of these questions. They are too, like, some of these are genuinely, like, too hard. Like, we will never solve in a million years sitting here. No, I don't do chemistry. I only do mathematics. I was a math major for 1 year, and then I dropped it and switched. But if you make a mistake with the pen, it's okay. We just scribble it out. We just need something to write with. Just something. Can I... No chemistry. I do octa. Only subject I'm good at is English. Have y'all ever heard the saying, humanities, it's easy to pass, hard to do well. And for STEM subjects, which is science, technology, engineering, mathematics, like nerd shit, it's easy to do well, hard to pass. Tremendous Khan Academy. Y'all used to fuck with Khan Academy so hard. I love Khan Academy. I used to just do it for fun as a kid. I just love doing it. Just so I like doing little brain dead tasks like that. Greatest science and math, don't talk about history. Like all those like nerd subjects, if it clicks in your head, that shit's so easy. But if it doesn't click in your head, it's like the most painful shit on earth. I'm so tired. I'm coming from amusement park. What a great way to end your amusement park day with mathematics. But they're gonna box it back. Bro, I'm moving. I'm literally moving. The chicken jockey's in there somewhere. Average Asian streamer. I'm Asian. My friend made a really funny joke yesterday. It was me and my two friends sitting in a call, and she's like, Trey, I made a really funny joke. And there's a third friend there, he's like, Trey, I can't laugh at the joke. And I'm like, why can't you laugh at it? And she tells me the joke, and essentially the joke, like the punchline was she was trying to print something on a piece of paper, and the printer kept fucking it up, so it was like just way too shitty and small, she can't read it. So she said, she's Chinese, she's like, I can't read it with my stupid little Chinese eyes. And I was like, my stupid little tiny Chinese eyes. And I could laugh at the joke, but our third friend in the call, he's like, I cannot laugh at this joke, but I could laugh at it. Nothing like some casual racism with the homies, you know what I'm saying? /J. I have to put, I do blue. And I bought a night for one. Oh, y'all finding the hotness? Yeah, hotness you get 0 out of 10. I'm purple math, which is why I'm good at biology. Biology, I'm so bad at because there's so much memorization. Trig is hard. Are you taking question requests? If you find the form in the Google YouTube community post page, on my YouTube community tab, whatever the fuck it's called, you can find the thing. You can say submit it right now. I guarantee, there's no guarantee I do them. I'm definitely not doing them all. You guys, there was like 40 question submissions. We're just gonna pick them and just go at them. You taught me anything that you be racist towards yourself. So base. I'm the dumbest out of all the smart people. I'm still smart-ish though. It's really funny when you're in school, your goal is to try and get like the highest mark possible and like, you know, be top of the class. But when you get into like the corporate world, being the smartest person in the room is awful. Because it's like, if you're the smartest person in the room, you have no one to learn from. And now it's like, whatever amount of work you can do is like the upper limit. Like no one can do any more like if you're like the best person at your work, that means you get out the hard bullshit. So being the smartest in the room when you're older is actually not a good thing. Like if you're working a job and you're low-key the person who's most skilled at doing something, they're gonna give you all the really hard bullshit. You're like, I don't want to fucking do this even if I can do it. That's why you always want to make sure you have coworkers smarter than you. I'm in main because I have pre-cal. Damn. A triangle. Oh god. I made a racial cut because it was a Darman reference. Okay, that's brutal. Because you know what? Darman shit's funny as fuck. You know what's crazy? I got baited by a Darman video on my For You page. I was like scrolling on TikTok, and on my For You page on TikTok, I get tons of clips from like TV shows and movies. And so when I see a clip that's obviously from like a skit, I'll just watch it through. Like if it's clear like a movie or show, and I was watching it, and it looked like it was from a really low quality TV show, and I was watching, and I'm like, okay. And it was like two people going to a job interview, and like there was like a really douchebag guy and a really nice girl, and then a old like homeless person comes up to them, and the douchebag guy throws the coffee cup on the homeless person, and he's like, get this filthy subhuman away from me. And the woman's like, what's wrong with you? And he's like, I'm gonna get that job, fuck you, Rebecca. And then he leaves, and then it turns out the homeless woman was like the interviewer's mom. And then it was like, oh, thank you, Rebecca, for finding my mom. You get the job. Douchebag, get fired. And then I watched that, the part in the end, and I was like, oh my god, I just got baited. I just watched an entire Darman clip, like all the way through. I'm like, I'm so stupid. I actually got Darman. I couldn't believe it. I was like watching it. I was like, that was so satisfying. And then I was like, I am so dumb. This is a Darman video I just watched. Triangles over hexagons. Yo, triangles. Without the triangle, we would never have bridges. Shout out to the three-sided goat. Without that guy, we have no bridges. You ever play Polybridge? That's where it comes up. Other than that, I've been packing all day. It's been brutal. When it's so bad, it's good at the same time. It's like they're just so easy to watch. No way, we're getting Darman reviews. We have people who watch of Darman to give opinions. But I hate triangles. Sounds like a you problem. This homeless man won't leave me, so I'm spraying him with dirty water. Literally, yeah. Nonograms are so base. I know you said nonograms, but I just thought of the game, like, what is a game where it's like a grid and you're supposed to fill in the like squares, and along the like sides of the square of the puzzle are like numbers, and it represents the number of like filled in. What the fuck is that called? I love I love that game. Whatever that game is called, I love it. I love those puzzles. But stuff like trig. Yeah, probably. Okay. Yellow. Hello, how you doing? I genuinely can't remember the last Darman video I watched. I think the last time I watched a full Darman video, I was watching like somebody react to it. Sudoku. It's not Sudoku, because Sudoku is you put numbers on the board. This one, you just fill in the squares. Thank you for following. My name is me. Oh, Tricky fan. I hope you love that message. Please know we're not just telling story, we're changing life. You got me there for a second. I was like, what the fuck is there? You just fucking Starman outroed me. Yeah, it's not crosswords. Yeah, they're literally full of figurines. All of my trinkets. From my game series. See, you learn from gaming. You know, the problem is the way schools teach mathematics is so fucking awful. They just like don't explain to you how anything comes to be. Like, they just turn you into like algorithm machines, which is why people are always like, why would I ever do this when I have a calculator? And I low-key agree, because the way they teach you math in school, it doesn't teach you any logic skills in the slightest. Like, not at all. Like, if you ever take math in university, and I mean like real math, like numbers and sets and proofs and shit, and then you can appreciate like mathematics for what it really is, but then the way they teach you math in like literally like high school down, it's just so shit. Like when I have to do the negative log of something, dude, some of y'all put derivatives, some of y'all put like integrals with trig, and I'm like, yo, I'm so fucked. Like, I need to go look up, I have to Google. We're gonna go on my favorite website, Wolfram Alpha. Desmos to go. But Wolfram Alpha, yo, if any of you have gone to the point where you've used Wolfram Alpha, you're in the trenches. And if you don't know what Wolfram Alpha is, I'm about to show you the GOAT. Do not, by the way, guys, don't use any AI for mathematics. It will lie. Like, if you guys are like looking for math help, do not use AI for it. Literally, find a guy on YouTube to explain it to you, and then shove that shit into Wolfram Alpha. I love Wolfram Alpha. I almost bought subscription university. Are you a construction worker? Because you're a bit banned for that. No, I'm kidding. Am I? Algebra beta my goodness. I love algebra. Geometry can go burn. I also hate geometry. I don't fuck with geometry too hard. Don't use Gen AI, period. I would say there's some uses to it. But the way most people use it is fucking stupid. Most people just use it like a search engine. I'm like, bro, at that point, just Google, literally, whatever you want to search with ChatGPT, just put into Google and slap the word Reddit to the end of it, and I guarantee you'll get a better fucking result. I know how not to say. I have to read on failing geometry. Khan Academy low-key can't. Yo, Khan Academy is actually the like best learning, one of the best learning resources. It's insane that thing is fucking free. Like, y'all don't get it. I'm scared of trig, but I gotta practice, so I'm failing my classes. Well, there are some trig questions today. I'm not gonna stream too long because I have to do more moving shenanigans. So we're not. Let's get this math stream started, everybody. Welcome to the math stream. If you don't know what this is, about 2 weeks ago, I put out a Google form and I asked very politely, give me your math homework. And let me tell you, a lot of you did. We got like 40 submissions. Am I going to do 40 math problems in like 2 hours? Absolutely not. That is like worse than a math exam. We will not be doing that many questions. However, we'll be doing some of them. I think we'll time limit ourselves to maybe like 10-15 minutes per question, and we can't do it, we go next. Because some of these questions are really hard, because I didn't say like, oh, you can only give me like high school level, university, or middle school. I kept it very open. Some of y'all are a lot older than I thought you were, and sent me literally homework that I would have done as a problem set when I was in like first or second year uni. I am absolutely not able to solve this, especially without the fucking textbook that can give me the definition of some of those bullshit words. But we're gonna just try our best. It should be fun. Let's get into it. Let's look at the Google form. Let's do some math, everybody. Math time. And let me ping the Discord. I remember. It's math time. All right. So, here are all our submissions. I removed some of them. Some people didn't even give me submissions. Some people literally just asked me like, could you make examples? And I'm like, I'm not teaching the math. Go look for some dude on YouTube to teach you that, not me. I'm not gonna teach it to you. You're just gonna watch me struggle to do these things. For reference, I went first year university. I was a pure mathematics major, not even like stats or like some subject. I was pure math major for first year university. I was not cut out for that shit. It was so hard. Real mathematics, not to be trifled with, completely different. What most of you end up doing in school is just arithmetic. Very difficult arithmetic, varying levels of degrees of difficulty of arithmetic, but literally 99% of the math you do in school is just arithmetic. Real like mathematics was like proofs was like, it's like a whole other beast. I got a 51 in my first real math course. It was like the math course you take as a math major to really like see if you were cut out for this. I got a 51 in that course. So I was not cut out for that shit. So I switched to computer science and then I dropped out. So I'm not even university educated all the way, and I'm gonna try this stream. It should be fun. Now, I am allowed to Google things, okay? Like if I'm sitting here and I'm like, I don't know what the definition of this word is, I am absolutely gonna Google it. I will try my best not to. I'll put on a timer. We'll give ourselves like 10 minutes per question, because otherwise we'll just be, some of these questions we'll just keep spinning the wheel over and over again. So let's just start. So for some of you wondering, like, what are the levels of degree of homework we got? Like some of this we got, like we had like grade 7 algebra 1. And then some of y'all sent shit like this. Let me fucking read it for you. A real number x equals 0.x1, x2, x3, ... is called repetitive if its decimal expansion contains arbitrary long blocks that are the same. I.e., if for every k there exists distinct m and n such that x of m equals x of n and x of m plus 1 equals x of n plus 1, ... x of m plus k equals x of n plus k, prove that the square repetitive number is repetitive. Like, I'm telling you, some of y'all gave me crazy fucking questions. Like, I saw this and I literally, I had a stroke. I literally, like, Waterloo math exam question, like what is this? Like, we cannot solve this question. Like, I have to, like, really, like, this would literally take me like an hour to just digest what it means. And maybe after 12 hours and searching on like math Stack Overflow, I'd maybe get like half of an answer, and I would get like 3 out of 10 on the problem set. This one is crazy. And then this is another crazy one we got. This one low key is like physics, but it's like vectors. I'm not too good at vectors. Function g of x equals g of z equals g of x equals 50 times 1 plus. I was like, oh, this is so fun. Normalize the gradient to obtain a vector u. Eclipse verification and path approximation. I'm like, dude, like, this is even worse. You know what's crazy is this one I actually low-key can understand. Like, I think I could do this if you gave me like an infinite amount of time. I think I'm gonna kill myself if I have to do this question. This is low-key engineering, like this theoretical engineering. I'm like, there's no way I'm doing this one. There's no way. Like, this one's absolutely no way. So there's varying degrees of difficulty, as you can see tonight. So we're gonna start not with these two. What the fuck does it mean? First time chatter, I'm good at math. Let me explain. The answers explode. What am I seeing? This is what I'm telling you. This is, thank you for the follow quip, I appreciate it. This is the type of cancer you see pure math majors university. This is literally like a math university question. I couldn't tell you what year, but this is like if you were in like university doing math, you would get a problem set with like 5 of these, and you have to do it for homework in like a week and a half. Is this actually Olympad? Like the math Olympic shit? That's crazy. I'm not even gonna think about that. All right, let's start with an easy one. Let's start with something easy. Let's start with grade 7. All right, let's start with some grade 7 homework here. Surely we can do some grade 7 homework. All right, let's see what this is. Okay, this is my plan. I'm gonna copy this. Wait, no, hold on. I'm gonna copy this. And then I'm gonna open my trusty tool. Hold on. Oops, hold on. Wait, I fucked up. Wait, give me a second. You can't see anything. Hold on. My trusty friend. MS Paint! And then we're gonna do an MS Paint because it's the only way we're gonna do it. All right, let's do this. This is an easy one. It's grade 7 homework. Surely we can do this. Like, it's grade 7. I'm pretty sure I can do this. Let's do this. All right. Let's start question 1. All right. Choose the correct option. Which of the following are equal to -9? This one. This is 1. This is +9. Yeah, a negative and a negative make a positive, and this is -1. It's only this one. Okay, sick. Let's go next. Which of the following statements is true? -6 equals 6. Or is -12 is less than, what is this? This is -6. I think it's B. Pretty sure it's B. All right, let's go next. What is this? Is it only like one of these are right? I think it's just one option. This is not grade 7. Is this grade 7? I really don't know. It's actually grade 7 math. All right, -12 is greater than -6. Fuck you, no. -12 is less than what is, yeah, -12. Fuck you, no. It's only B. Okay, so it's just one. It's not a multiple correct answer type of bullshit question. I hate those. I hate it when they do stuff like that. My Quebec ass doesn't know which grade this is. This is grade 7 math? This is not grade 7 math. There's varying standard. What will be the additive inverse of -12? What the fuck is an additive inverse? I'm just gonna assume it's 12 then. I'm assuming additive inverse means, yeah, I'm assuming, okay, I feel like additive inverse is just take this and make it positive. Like if you sum these together, you get 0. Okay, I'm gonna say this is this one. This one makes the most sense. Yeah, right? I feel it's not the absolute value, but it's this one plus this one makes 0. That's my assumption. Holy shit, we gotta Google what an additive inverse is. I cannot believe we're. What's an additive inverse? No, I was right. In mathematics, the additive inverse of an element x, denoted -x, is the element that when added to x yields the additive identity 0. Okay, shit, I was right. It's just 12. It's just 12. Which of the following is not true? Okay, well, this one's true, so it can't be this one. This one's true. It can't be this one. This one's false. What the fuck? Okay, it's C. This should be 45. I'm cooked. Determine which choice best shows the associative property of multiplication. Oh, dude, I hate when questions like show the best one. Bro, best is so subjective. Hold on, I'm trying to remember the associative property of math. I have to Google it. I cannot remember. Dude, I used to know all this bullshit. What is the associative multiplication property? So you're wondering what that is? In mathematics, there's like a few rules that are like, they're called axioms, which essentially they're just a bunch of statements that all mathematicians are like, nah, we all agree on this, because if these weren't true, the basis of all arithmetic would just fall apart. And I'm pretty, and like, I don't think, is the associative property of multiplication an axiom? I don't fucking remember, but it's pretty close to it. All right, the associative states that the product of 3 or more numbers remain the same regardless of how the numbers are grouped. Okay, shit. All right, bet. Okay. It just means whatever order the bullshit's in, it's fine. So it's definitely not this one. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's C. It's C. Yeah, a lot of math is memorizing bullshit. Which expression is equal to this? -24 times -10. We have 240. Oh my god, do we have to... This is so annoying. Well, okay, it's this one. This one's equivalent. It's literally just this one. Okay, next. Which expression has the greatest value when x equals -2 and y equals -3? Okay, so this is -6. Is that a fucking V? I'm assuming that's X. That literally is the letter V. Okay, this is -2 minus, this is 1. 6. This is 2 plus 3, 5. I'm pretty sure it's B. Okay. The quotient. Oh my god. What the fuck is a quotient? Is it B? No, it's fucking C. Oh no, it's B. It's B. The result of division. They go, hey Matt, that when they bring English dictionary to you, the quotient remainder when negative 17. Wait, what? Is when negative 17 is divided by 16 is? Oh, the quotient. Oh, so it's just negative 1. Yeah, it's negative 1 and 1 over fucking 16. No, it's negative 1 and negative 1 over 16, right? I'm pretty sure it's this one. Right? It's D. Oh fuck. This. Oh, that one. I'm a little. Ooh, with that one. Negative 600 divided by regular 600. Easy. What does this equal? Fuck. What is 11 times 12? What the fuck is it? 120 plus fucking 12. 132. Positive 132. It's A. Okay, I fucking did it. Not bad. We have no answers. Sure. No way we're still in the first worksheet. Bro, there was 10 questions. I got through all of them. I'm pretty sure I'm right. That was the first one. I didn't even time myself how long that took. But we had to Google like 2 things, which is crazy. Okay. This is so calm. It's okay, let's see. Let's kick it up a notch. Let's try something. We picked the easiest one. Literally grade 7. Is it negative 600 plus 600 equals 0? No, wait, that was a division symbol. No. That was a division symbol. Well, no. That was a division symbol. Division. It's really shitty, but I'm pretty sure this looks like a division symbol to me. Grade 12? You got the remainder wrong? Son of a bitch. Is what it actually? Is it negative 1? It's just is it B then? Oh wait, what the fuck am I doing? Wait, what the fuck? I'm stupid. It's A. Why the fuck did I put D? It's A. Oh my god, I actually did get this one wrong. It's literally... That's so embarrassing. This one was actually... I actually did this wrong. This one was A. Oh, I actually baited myself so hard. That's embarrassing. Let's go on. Fuck. Okay, let's try the... Okay, y'all saying grade 12? How about we go grade 9? Let's try a grade 9 or grade 10 one. Let's do, Oh my god. These are all just geometry, which is terrifying. Could be anything. Ooh. Let's try grade 9, let's try this grade 9 one. Let's see what this is. This is spiral homework. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, let's read this. Okay. A rocket is launched from a tower and its path can be modeled by the following equation where T is time in seconds and H is height in feet. How tall was the tower? Oh my god. Okay, let's screenshot this. Let's open this into our paint. Let's put it in the paint. We'll just do the Monday, Wednesday, and Tuesday. Let's just try the 3. Let's just try the 3. Let me time myself. I know I don't go on forever and ever with this shit, okay? Wait, isn't that maximum? Hold on. A rocket is launched from a tower and its path can be modeled by the following equation where it's its height. How tall was the tower? Wait, what? A model is launched from a tower and its path can be... How tall was the tower? Am I just finding the maximum? Yeah, is this a maximum? What grade are we on? We're on grade 10. Yeah, we're finding the maximum of this, right? Right, this is the maximum because... Wait, no, but it's launched from... No. It's launched from the tower. It's fucking 80. It's this because this is the fucking... Yeah, it's 80. It's 80 because they're launching from the tower. It's 80 feet. Yeah. No, it's not. It's T equals 0. Yeah, T equals 0 is 80, right? Yeah, because it starts... Yeah. What? No, t equals, I put 0 into here. H of 0 equals negative, it's 0, it's not the maxima. It is 80. Yeah. It's the y-intercept. Okay, we're good. It is 80. Okay, what was the maximum height? This one is maximum. Okay. Fuck, does that, how the fuck do we find the maximum? I'm trying to think. We need to fucking, okay, I'm trying to think. How do you find the, oh my god, it's been so, how the fuck, okay, I'm literally thinking about the fucking parabola in my head. This is obviously a parabola that looks like this. This fucking function obviously looks like some bullshit like this. I need to find the maximum. How the fuck do I find the maximum? If it's a downward parabola, how the fuck do I find this point? Do I actually quadratic formula this shit? Am I supposed to? No way. It's in mine. Okay. Holy shit. Do I remember the quadratic formula? Let me see if I remember the quadratic formula. Y. Okay, so let me get the, let's get, hold on. Y equals ax squared plus bx. Do I remember the quadratic formula? Yo, is this a quadratic formula, bro? Did I get close? I feel like I'm close. I don't remember this part. This part is a little iffy. Did I actually get... That's one for me. That's one for the streamer. I actually remember the quadratic formula. It's supposed to be solved verbally, you ate, bro. I actually can't believe I remembered this. That's crazy to me. It is 2A. Okay. I'm gonna go... Okay, I feel like I want to prove. Wait, what's the maximum of a quadratic proof? I want to read the proof. Hold on. Where's the proof? Give me a proof. Study.com. I want to read the yeah, give me this shit. What the fuck? Find the y-intercept. The middle of the y-intercept of the vertex. Hold on. Where's the proof? Give me the I want to see the formula and then how we deduct the formula for the proof. The axis of symmetry. All right, let me read this shit. Okay, so you're supposed to turn to this form, which is this fucking guy. So the axis of symmetry we defined earlier. What the fuck? How the fuck do they get to this? Did you guys all just memorize this, or do you actually know how this is deduced? Real question. Actual real question. Do any of you know how this is deduced, or have you just all been told to memorize this and then you just memorized it for dear life and know when to apply it? Because I'm like, how the fuck did I want to know how the fuck they deduced it? Memorize? Yeah, you take this. Memorized. Told to memorize? You know what's crazy? I'm gonna fucking solve this at the memory. No. I'm gonna solve this. Okay, I'm just gonna do this question. And I'm gonna do it without the fucking formula. I'm gonna try and deduce it like how I would deduce it. Okay. In theory, what you could just do is we could just find the x-intercepts, take the difference, divide by 2, add it with this intercept. Yeah. Okay, what we do? We find where this and this intersect with this guy. If we can get into it form. Oh, can we even get into it form like that? Oh fuck, let's find out. All right, negative 16 t. I'm gonna just do x because I'll just do a squared because it looks easier to read on stream. All right, we need to factor out what's the highest factor here. I think like 8. So negative 8, we got 8, what is it? 8a squared plus, we do 16? No, we can do 16. So negative 16, a squared plus 3. Can we divide 16 words? Wait, hold on. 16, no, wait, I think we have to do 8. No, I think we have to do 8. We're never reaching high school. Bro, we are in high school. What are you talking about? 2a squared plus 8 minus 8a plus... I'm being stupid. I could definitely do this by 16. Why did I do... So I could... I'm tripping. 16 a squared minus 4a minus, what is it, fucking 5? Negative 16. What is it? I'm trying to remember what the fucking trick here. Remember, I had to throw it away after the test. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to do the wrong tab streamer. Oh my god, y'all are not watching. Bro, I've been cooking over, you've been missing me attempting to cook over here. I was actually too locked in. I'm over here doing some fucking scribbles and shit. What is that? I think it's negative a minus plus 1 a minus 5. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's this. But that means their intercepts are if hold on. So if I draw this fucking graph here, then it intercepts at 1 and negative 5, and it goes like this. And it's the middle of negative 1 and 5 would be what's different 6. It would be negative 2 is our middle. So that's our axis of symmetry. And then we could just do h of negative 2. Wait, h of negative 2? Wait, I fucked this up. Hold on, wait. Wait. The intercepts, wait. The intercepts negative 1 and 5. Yeah, and then our intercept, and then our axis is x equals 2, or I guess t equals 2 technically. And then h of 2 is the peak, right? Yeah. H of 2 equals, oh god, negative 16 times 4 plus, 64 times 2 is 128 plus 80. What is this? This is negative 64 plus 128 plus 80. Oh my god, this is the worst part. Not to do just the fucking normal arithmetics. Dog, the worksheet says algebra 2. You doing that stuff? And yeah, this says algebra 2. When the fuck do y'all do algebra 2? Honest to god. Okay, hold on. Negative 64, we get like 64 plus 80, which is equal to 144 feet. Boom, I got the answer. It's 144 feet, motherfuckers. Boom, I did it. I think this is literally the answer. I'm pretty sure it's the answer. And I didn't even have to use the bullshit. I did it the fucking... I did it fucking without put the value of t. Yeah, we did. It's 144. Okay, actually huge. When will our rocket hit the ground? At 5 seconds. We already know this. 5 seconds. Bro, there's no I just tried to write 5 seconds and I wrote oh shit. Oh, let me look that. Hold on. Let me put a new playlist. Oh my god. Bro, I'm trying to write, I put 5 seconds. I put okay. Should we move on to a different one, or should we try one of the other two? Should we try one of the, oh my god. Dude, if I was in university, I would have, Jesus. You're over the time limit? No, I'm not, look, bro, nah. I did that shit in the time. I gave myself within the time limit and I did the one question. I had 20 seconds remaining. I was in the time. Don't even try me. I didn't time. Algebra 2 is 10th. When is algebra 2? There is so much debate here. When is algebra 2? Students typically learn algebra 2 in the 11th grade. All right, Google, that settles that. I think it's 10th. All right, well, it's somewhere in like the 10th or 11th grade. I'm not reading this. I'm reading this guy. Need some more. I feel like this was my math homework in the 11th grade. Honest to God. Okay, I'm gonna try these 2 questions only. I'm not gonna graph this shit. I'm gonna try these 2 questions. Here it is. All right. Oh, you can't see. I'm just gonna solve these 2 questions remaining. All right. I'm just gonna do these 2. Find the squares of the following function using the square root. Okay. Oops. Wait, I feel this is easy. 2x squared minus 4 Wait, this is brain dead. This is just x plus. Wait, this one isn't this just brain? Wait, this is the x is equal to plus my. Wait, this was so brain dead. Okay, this was actually such a brain dead question. What is the y-intercept of that function? What is the vertex of that function? Is it asking for my peak? Is it asking for the peak? Well, it's here. Here. It goes to like fucking. I'm trying to grab this. I'm trying to grab. Oh my god. Something like that. I don't know what the vertex is asking for here, but I just drew the function out. I just drew it out. Okay, well this question was way harder just because it had all this word bullshit here. What is the point of the peak? I don't know. Well, we did one question, everyone. Let's go to the next one. The vertex is the peak of the point. Okay, well, I removed the question, so we can't look at it anymore. Let's go next one. Let's go next one. All right, let me restart this. Let's choose another one. Okay, we did grade 9. Let's kick it up. Okay. That was a grade 9 question. No, we literally did grade 9 homework. This person literally showed grade 9. Okay, should we try grade 11, which is also algebra 2 apparently? We can try this. Let's try this. This looks a little fun. What the fuck is this acronym for combined standard function type? Okay. Combined standard function types using arithmetic operations. The function h is defined by h of x equals 3g of x. Bro, there's no way this is high school math homework. I swear to God, I did this in university. Where f and g are defined as shown, complete the function for x. Okay, I feel like we can do this though, but I don't think this is university homework though, bruh. I don't think this is grade 12 or grade 11. This is allegedly grade 11. Yeah, it's piecewise function, some bullshit like that. All right, well, I just multiply g. This is 3 times 2 is 6. 2. Oh wait, no, it's 2 of x. Hold the fuck up. This one's brain dead easy because it's just, like this part, like 3g of x is so brain dead. Like this is just like 3 times 2 of 3 of x. Like this one's brain dead. Like this one's easy. This one, on the other hand, hold on. F of 2x would equal to 2x squared minus 5 times 2x, which is going to equal 4x squared minus 10x. Oh, this was a little trick. They thought they were a little funny guy and they wouldn't seen this. They thought I wouldn't see this. I did see it. Little funny guy. Thought I wasn't gonna see this. Fuck you. Forgot the negative? Well, I didn't put the negative here. The negative, they already did the negation for me, so I'm fine. Oh, I guess this is negative. Oh, you're right. They just put all pluses here. Okay, annoying. Well, it's just this one's a negative, so we're good. Okay, next one. Combine standard function types using arithmetic operation. The functions f and g are defined by f of x equals x squared and g of x equals 2x respectively. Which equation is equivalent to which of these is equivalent to? Holy fuck! All right, is it the same definition as above? No, it's just one. Which equation is equivalent to? Okay, so for some of you who are sitting here like, what the fuck am I looking at? All this question is saying, I got a function, and my function is made of 2 little guys. Can you tell me what my big guy is made of? He's made of 2. What is this big guy made of if he just made of these 2 little guys? That's all this is in some very fancy lingo. Which function is equivalent to? Okay, so I have to compute this. Okay, so this is equal to 2x squared times 2 times And what, fucking -2 over 2, which is going to equal to 4x squared times, oops, -4, and then we have 2, and then this is just going to be equal to fucking the 16 fucking 2 4 4 4 -4 x3. I'm gonna kill my, no, it's 8. It's 8. Holy shit. I was about to say there's no way I just got an answer that was none. It's B. I was gonna start tweaking. I was like, there's no way I just did all of this and then like there's nothing here. There's nothing here. Thank you for that 5-year-old explanation. That was all I needed for real for that one. I'm also getting very warm. Okay. Dude, I put -4 and I was like, it's so Jover. It's so Jover. It's literally nothing on the screen here. Okay, we're good. We're good though. Okay, this one was actually easier than the last one, surprisingly. Low-key, the quadratics just like a bunch of bullshit on the screen. All right, grade 11. Well, it's also algebra 2. All right, what's next? Do we try one of these just like terrifying unnamed geometry ones? Like, I'm so nervous. I don't know what's in store for, I didn't even put on the timer. I'm so nervous what's in store. Okay. Ooh, which geometry one do I do? Oh, let's click one. For exercises 24 and 25, find the area of the oh my, round to the nearest tenth? Oh, dude. Oh, this. Okay, you're telling me just to do 25 based on this. Oh, okay. We need to put on some. Everyone, put on your actually glasses. Okay, hold on. This is gonna get fucky wucky. Yeah, let me get. Yeah, you know what? I'll turn on the timer for this one. Yeah, this one. I'll put on the timer. We might be here a while if I let this one go. This one, I'll turn the timer. Calculate. Yeah, this one, I get a calculator. I get a calculator for this one. Because it said nearest 10. There's gonna be some bullshit here. Okay, hold on. Let me make this thicker. Okay. I'm assuming this is the center. So this is the center. Okay, the sum of all the triangles is 180. Why? Okay. Here's information we do know. All right, let me tell you. We're gonna assume U is the fucking center. If it's not the center, that's bullshit. All right, if it's not the center, then I'm gonna kill myself. This has to be a 5. If this is a 5, this is a 5. Okay, so the trick here is we calculate all of this, and then we so the secret's like this. Okay, this is the circle part, circle, and then we subtract it by the fucking square, and then that's our bingo bongo. You know what I mean? Like, the key here is we get all of this shit, the little shit, and then we get the mini shit, okay? The question is, I don't remember how to calculate the big shit. All right, I'm gonna try and do without Googling any formulas. Okay, what's the fucking area of a circle? The area of a circle is fucking what? Pi r squared. Is this right? I'm Googling it. I'm pretty... It's pi r squared, right? Okay, it's pi r squared. I didn't forget that. Jesus Christ. Okay, that's our circle. And the triangle is what the fuck? Our triangle would be this guy times this guy, and then divided by 2. The triangle it's height times base over 2 divided by 2. Okay, so let's do the fucking circle first, because I think I'm closer to the circle. The circle, we have the big hint here, which is 78. So a circle 360 degrees, and then the area of this let's call it we'll just call it the oh, you fucking know what I mean. It's gonna be 78 over 360. That's how many degrees are in the circle, times pi 25. I don't fucking know what that number is. I'm just gonna leave it like this value. I'm not gonna compute this. We'll compute it at the end. But that's the area of this part. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay, so now we need to get the area of our triangle boy. The base is 5. We know the base is 5. But how the fuck do we get the height is the question. How the fuck do you get the height? Let me think about this. Is this actually 65 over pi? I'm trust me. Hold on. Is it actually trig time? The base is not 5? No, is the base not? Oh, you're right. The base isn't 5. The base is this. Oh, we don't actually know anything. Is this? Do I gotta pull up the trigonometry here? I feel like. Oh wait, you're right. We can split it down like this. Oh, I'm thinking. I gotta do the fucking Saka Hawk 2 or something. What the hell? I have to use trig here. All right, we gotta go Google trig functions. Trig functions. Can I get the trig identities real quick? I don't remember them. Can I? Let me see. Can I get a Google Images? All right, bust out the. Do not save this on my PC. I will kill myself. Oh, this is not what we want. This is something else completely. We need the trig. We need the just give me the basic. We don't want the trig identity. The trig identity is something else. I need this. This is what I need. This is what I need. All right. Wait, this is for a fucking right angle triangle though. We don't have a right angle triangle. Wait, let me think about this. This only applies to... Hold on. Hold on. I'm putting this here for reference. Okay, we're putting all our... We need this information here. Yeah, the Sakak Tua. You got... Hold on. Let me look at this shit. Okay, let's draw the triangle out, okay? This is our bullshit triangle. Oh, straight lines. Look at me, I'm a straight line Andy. All right, this is our bullshit triangle. Okay, all we know about our bullshit triangle, this is 5, and this is 78 degrees. Somebody is texting me. Someone replied to somebody's... Okay, I don't care about this right now. I'm doing math. All right. Can you split the triangle in the middle? Oh, okay. Oh, I split down the middle. Okay, I understand now. All right, so we split it down the middle. We made 2 90 degrees. We know this is 90 degrees. And this 78 divided by 2... becomes fucking what? Yes. Try to do math without swearing. Challenge level impossible. What is this? Fucking 39 degrees. Okay. So now this little part of 39 and this little part of 39. And then we can deduce the angle of this guy, which is fucking 90 minus 39. Oh wait, no. You know, wait. Hold on. I did this wrong. What is it? 180 minus 90 minus 39. Fuck this equal to, what is it? 90 minus 39. What the fuck is equal to? Like 50, 40, 30, 30, 50, 51. 51 degrees. So this guy's 51 degrees. Huge. Okay. So for those of you who are like, where the fuck are we now, streamer? We have this fucking guy here, all right? We've now deduced this stupid fucker. And this guy, 90 degrees. This is not to scale, 51 and 39 degrees. And we know this is 5, whatever. And now we can use this and deduce the lengths of... What the fuck did I want? I need, oh no. I need the lengths of both this side and this side. Yeah, so I need the lengths of both these sides. Okay, so now we can do some Hawk Tua and figure out, yeah, we can figure out the fucking lengths of these. Okay. Oh my god. So what is sine? The opposite. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, this is. Hold on. I need to use my brain here. Opposite over G. I need to do sine. Then use sine of 39 degrees. Swap the. It doesn't matter. It's not the scale, anyways. 39 degrees. It's just a reference. 39 degrees. We go back to grade 3 stream. I'm stupid. Okay, 39 degrees. It's always over the hypotenuse, so this is something over 5. And so this is calls x, which calls y. What is it? Sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse, which is this, so it's y. And then the other one is cosine of 51, motherfuckers. Which... Wait, I might do this wrong. I think I did this part wrong. Did I do this part wrong? Wait, hold up. Hold on. I need more room on my paper. My papier is too small. It's the same? Just do, yeah, okay. I was thinking, like, I don't need to do cosine. I'll just do double sine, right? Like, that's just so much fucking easier. Okay, I'm doing double sine. Oh, I keep fucking my paper. Hold on. Eraser. Bro, we did the circle part ages ago. The circle part's been sitting here waiting for the fucking triangle bit. We're waiting for the triangle part to get finished, which is significantly harder. All right, sine of 51, what fucking what, equals... Oh, what the fuck? I actually need to plug this into a calculator. Calculator. Oh god! Okay, well, we ran out of time. Fucking time, man. Oh shit. God damn it. Wolfram Alpha. Yup. Okay, well, I'll tell you this much. Wolfram Alpha could have solved this. Hold on. I'll show you. Sine of 51 equals x divided by 5. Fine. Let me put y'all in Wolfram Alpha. I literally gave it sine of 51 equals x over 5. Find x, and it literally just told me what. And it literally just gave me the answer for x. I'm telling y'all, Wolfram Alpha. Y'all still in school? This is the best fucking tool ever. So it was 3.86, 3.8857. What's the other one? What sine of 39? This one fucking, what? Find x as a decimal. Please and thank you. Oh my god. Well, it doesn't matter. I this is 10 minutes. Stop spamming. Stop spamming. Spam one more time, I put you to sleep. I'll put you to sleep anyways. You can't fucking put you to sleep. Think about don't spam for 10 minutes. I'm not a fucking gorilla in a cage that you throw fucking peanuts at and hope it does a little dance. Alright, I ran out of time. We did get close. I myself gave up. We got close as a collective group. I got close. Maybe I feel like I should increase the time for the harder questions. All right, should we try something real fuck? Should we try some British? Should we try some math? Should we try some math? Wait, this could be fucking fun. I don't even know what the hell surds are. Wait, let's try some British. Let's try some British math homework. Wait, that sounds fun. Let's do let's do British math homework. Huge. Get this bullshit out of my face. All right, British core. Oh, let's try British math. All right, let's try British. Maths. Yeah, the fucking maths. All right. Somebody's got nice handwriting too. Holy shit, you got very British looking handwriting. The maths. All right. I'm proud of you because of my homework. Thanks, man. I try my best. Find the roots. Must include A, B, or a... Okay. So we got 2, x squared plus 8x plus 15 equals 0. And then we have 2x plus, that's x plus 3, x plus 5 equals 0 equals -3, -5. Easy! My handwriting, but not me who to upload it. Okay. All right, next we have is x. What is this? What is it? We can do 4. Oh yeah, it's -4. X minus 6 equals 0. X equals 4 and 6. Okay, dude, my brain is getting back into it. You can read this? Yes. I don't know what a surge. More like the poops. Okay, I need it. Whoever you are, I'm banning you. I'm kidding. What the fuck is a surge? Surge. More like poops. Yeah, XD is actually the most appropriate response here. How you doing, Cass? All right, let's try this. All right, simplify. Huh? Okay, wait. Let me hold on. Let me think about this one. Okay, we have 4 square root of 5 times 2 times 5 minus. Wait, am I fucking stupid? Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Wait, am I stupid? Can I? Wait, is that it? I can do this, maybe. Is that it? There's nothing else to do there, right? I can't simplify it anymore. Surge? I've never heard anyone describe it as surge before. I love that. Wait, I feel like I can't do anything further than this. Expand and simplify. Okay, bet. 5 square root of 2 minus... Isn't that it? Wait, is this valid? Wait. Is this real or am I bullshitting myself? I don't think this is true. Under 1 radical? That's it, streamer? That's the point, streamer? That's real? Oh, okay, so then I could just do this. That's it? I feel baited. I feel so baited. That's real. I like how you're not all saying like, no, you can do it. No, it's real. Okay, this one, free. We did it. Definitely, I didn't even run the timer and I did that one. All right, that was good. That was a good one. That one was square root of xy equals square root of xy. Thank you. I did need that formula in my brain. Okay, it's crazy. It's crazy how much your brain forgets. Okay. This one, I'm so real. We're actually never getting this one. This one, there's too many terms. This one, let me think about it. I'm gonna give myself 10 minutes to think about this. This one, I genuinely want to give it a stab because it actually looks like a very engaging question. All right. A number x is real. Is called repetitive if its decimal expansion contains arbitrary long blocks that are the same. I.e., for every k there exists distinct m and n such that so okay, what do I want to prove? I'm trying to prove the square of a repetitive number is repetitive. No, you're not too sure with this. This is literally this is just really fucking hard. If any of you are staring at this and this makes no sense to you, do not feel bad. This is literally like university math. This is like, you're not supposed to be able to solve this within 10 minutes. You read this as domain expansion. Yeah, this is domain. Actually, this is domain. Domain expansion right there. All I want is the end. No, you need a proof, but I'm trying to think of like one example to make it all. My goal right now is to make one example so it kind of half makes sense to you right now. Prove that the square of a repetitive number is repetitive. All ones. Yeah, okay, so what's the repetitive number? Okay, so this is just a really fancy way of, okay. This is scaring you with these fucking letters and bullshit? all this is saying, a repetitive number is like, you know when you're on a fucking calculator and you do like this. Here, I'll show you what a repetitive number is, because this is just scaring you with the terminology. Let me pull a calculator. Hold on. Like 1 over 6. Okay? A repetitive number is like all of this, like, you know, like, oh no, let me just do the most simple example. 1 over 3. A repetitive number is just like a number that just goes on forever and ever and ever and ever. Like, I'm sure you learned in school, like, you know, 1 over 3, you always just round it to 0.33 because the 3's just go on forever. That's all a repetitive number is. And like all of this bullshit it's showing you, like, here is just like a really fucking like mathy way of saying like 0.33333. So this little symbol here in mathematics is just used to say like this fucking 1 goes forever. So essentially it's saying if I take 0.3 forever and I square it, it's gonna equal, well, what's 1 over 3? Hold on, 1 over 3 squared equals 1 over 9. And 1 over 9 in decimal form is... What is 1 over 9 decimal form? Hold on. 1. 0.1 forever. All this question is saying is if you got some fucking weird ass number where it's 0 point, some number that just goes da 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 da, if you square it, it's also going to be some bullshit number where it goes 0 point da 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 da. What the fuck? I love it. Tsukasa profile picture. This formula looks like a reoccurrence relations. This shit's so funny to me. It's so funny. I'm like going through these questions. Some of y'all got like a fucking Mizu Anna like profile picture kissing, and you're like, streamer, I think you need to take the bisection of the triangle and take the cosine and derive it. Like, it's just so funny to me. Hold on. I want to improve this. For all K, a distinct F and N. Holy shit! How the fuck do you prove this? Prove that the square repetitive number is repetitive. How the fuck would you prove this? Oh, this is a hard one. I wish Twitch had visible profile pictures in chat now. Well, it's still funny. Totally human saying, giving me. Is this question where you know it's true? Yeah, this is literally one of those questions where, like, you can punch into a calculator a bajillion of times, you'll know it's true, but how do you prove it's true? I wish whoever submit this, do you have the answer? I want to read the answer. I'm genuine. Hold on. Prove that repetitive decimal is that square of repetitive decimal is also I spelled repetitive wrong. Hold on. Oh, dude, I'm on the math stack exchange. We're so deep in here. Oh, shit, we got uneducated Einstein in the chat room. Looks like something level 2-3 element is good, but solvable and really satisfying. That's crazy, because I low-key want to solve it, but I literally don't know how. I haven't written a proof in so long. I have no idea how to approach this. I just want to read the proof, because low-key, when you reading math proof, kind of fun, when they're, like, kind of good. My favorite math proof is the proof that there's an infinite number of prime numbers. I love that proof. That proof's so fucking wicked. What the how the fuck do you do this? Hold on. I'm stumped. How the fuck do you prove this? Yeah, ungraduate Einstein's crazy. Prove that the square repetitive number is repetitive. Okay, so the distinct property of... Okay, wait, hold on. Wait, I think I have a line of thinking here. So a repetitive number is just saying that for x, it's going to equal to, let's just call it a1, a2, a3, to a of k, for all k. Yeah, it's just saying these are where, so that like a of k equals a of k plus 1. Okay, that's all it's saying. Thus, squared it, you need to okay, so then you just need to prove that if I took x squared, holy shit, wait, my brain is popping off right now. A1 a of k squared is just gonna equal to of b of still k for all k, such that b of k equals b of k plus 1. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Wait. I know how to prove repetitive numbers. It should be similar. Yeah, if you know the proof of that, you should know this one in similarly. Okay. They better hand you that pure math degree ASAP, bro. No way. Bro, someone subscribed. They clicked for the Emu fucking picture, and then they see this bitch have the notepad out. Thanks, man, for the sub. Hold on, I'm looking at this. A1 of k. Take it from 1 to 1. The repeating part could be too long. Well, that's the you can't. Okay, it's really shitty. I put ... here. It's implied. How do you prove? Okay, so this goes to this guy, and this goes to this guy. So the only property we have of this repeating number is that all of the A's are the fucking same, and we need to prove all the B's are the same. All the B's are the same. How do we prove all the fucking B's are the exact same? Yeah, we're doing the math. All the A's are the same. We know all the B's are the same. I'm trying to think, is there some like property of multiplying decimals that I'm fucking missing here that's like the key shit? So if you were wondering at the beginning of the stream when I was saying like, oh, what is the difference between like real math and arithmetic? This is real math. Everything we have done up until this point has just been arithmetic. If you are like sitting there and you're like, yo, I really fuck with math and I want to do like a math degree, this is the type of bullshit you do all day. You will never see something like, here's a function and tell me what the y-intercept. Like, that's like trivial. Like, y'all want to fuck with math in university? This is the kind of bullshit you can do all day. This is too much. No, I'm low-key like, I low-key want to get this now. I'm on the path to further bettering myself with the education. Oh, wait. Hold on. God fucking damn it. God damn it. Oh, shut up. Oh, fuck me, jump scare. Oh. Hold on. Undergraduate Einstein. I think this is one of those where you assume one sequence to be h of 1 to blah blah blah, and a squared is always equal to a times a. I don't know what periodic is, bruv. Fuck. I probably would have learned that if I took the next fucking undergrad math course that I didn't take. You know what's crazy? I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna do this for fun later. I might do this out of like pure fucking stubbornness later. But that's why I set the timer, because I can't. Some of you guys are literally like, I'm unsubscribing. I can't believe she's doing this right now. All right, let's pick another question. Let's pick another one. I'm saving that one for me later. I'm gonna go find that proof. I want to see what the fucking proof is. All right, let's find another one. All right, what's another one? Real math, it's just proving its existence. Something like that. What is this? Yo, should we do some Canadian math homework? You know what's crazy? I know, I think I own this textbook. I think I was given this textbook in grade 11 too. I recognize the font and the coloring. I literally have owned this. I'm pretty sure I still have a PDF of this entire textbook somewhere on my fucking PC. I'm not, okay, They literally just said all of it. I suck at word problem. We're not, this is too much. Let's just pick one. Could you want to, I just linked on the spreadsheet. Y'all can just fucking go crazy at it. Okay, should we just pick, we'll pick one of the, no, I'm so for sure. I literally did this in grade 11. This font is giving me like flashbacks. We went from American math to British math, back to American. Yeah, now we're doing Canadian math. Okay, let's do, oh my god. I feel like you know what's crazy? There's a non-zero chance I have literally done this fucking problem in my life. Yeah, we're in math Vietnam. Next game night, we just do math from the spreadsheet. Oh, this question kills me because I low-key feel like we were so close. Why do all these parts have 5 questions? Yeah, I don't know why this textbook specifically, when you were doing the like chapter review section, every single question goes like A, B, C, D, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, F, T, U, V. Like every single one of these. Okay. Let's just do 17. Let's just do 17. More like math to World War I. Okay. Let's do part one. Let's do question 17. Alright, let's try 17. The population of a city growing at an average rate of 3% per year. In 1990, the population was 4,500. Write an equation that models the growth of the city. Explain what each part of the equation represents. Alright, so we have the population, and let's call this the year. That's confusing. No, let's call that just time. Is gonna equal to what is it? T, hold the fuck up. 3%, an average rate of 0.03 times T. Wait, is this just a linear function? No, it's per year. Hold the fuck up. Okay, let me do the easy part. Let me do the easier part. It's 4,500. Plus, it's growing 3% per year. Wait, why the fuck am I wait, I'm tripping out right now. 1, it would be 0.3. Guys, stop. I'm fucking losing it. Wait, stop. I'm losing it. Wait, I'm losing it. Wait, I'm losing it. I'm like, it's so close in my brain, but it's not there yet. Okay, so cute. I'm fucking tweaking. I'm actually tweaking right now. It should be 19 year minus 1990. Oh my god, I figured it out. Why was that so hard? Why was that so hard? That was so simple. Bro, it's not this. No, this is the year. Because in 1990, how is it not it? Every year, it goes up. But, oh, wait, no. It isn't this. Shit, what the fuck is this? No, it's 4,500. Okay, hold on. Every year it goes up by 3%. Wait, T is the number of years after? No, it didn't say it. I get to pick that myself. No, it should be, wait. Oh shit, no, wait. Hold on, wait. Nah, this is it. Wait, this is it. This is definitely it. 4,500, because if T equals 0, this path 0 is 1, 4,500, 1. Okay, this is okay, we got A. Okay, done, A. Where T is how many, is the number of years after 1990. We got Larry in chat tonight, huge. All right. Use your equation to determine the population 2007. T of, how many years, 2007, 1990, 27 years? 27 equals... Bro, I'm not shoving in a calculator. That just fucking... This is literally just put it in a calculator moment. We don't need to do that. We all... Like, it's just some fucking number. I don't care what the number is. Suppose the population... Wait, determine the year which a population would have doubled. See, now this is a more fun question. All right, let's just see. 17. That's crazy. That's crazy. Fuck. Oh, well, let's do 3. C looks more fun. Determine the year which population had doubled. Okay, so we're looking for the point at which... Aren't we just looking for when 1.03t is equal to fucking 2? Right? And we're just trying to find t here? Pretty sure that's it, right? T gonna equal to... Yo, do I remember how to do log? No, is this not right? Wait. Wait. I feel it's right. Wait, no. No, it is right, bro. Why are you crying emoji me, bro? I'm trying to remember the log. How the fuck do I log again? Log of... Oh my god. I have to log both sides. Hold on, I'm cheating and I'm just trying to fucking skip it down. Log of... Hold on. I need to write this down because I literally forgot. Hold on. Log of... Can I not just be like a little cheating guy and write this instead? Log base of fucking... Hold on, I'm remembering. I'm using this as my example. You guys, you don't have to make everything log base 10. You can just log base where the fuck you want. This is a fucking 3? 1.0. That's fucking work. This is valid, bro. This is real. Yeah, log 2 base 1/3. I don't fucking know what this is. Hold on. I don't know. Let's check Wolfram Alpha. I am not trying to calculate that myself. Wolfram Alpha. Tell me, what is it? Oh. Log 2. Wait, the log 2 base. Wait, log. What is it? 1.032? Is this the syntax? Oh, log base 0.03 of 2. 23 point, oh yeah, there we go. That's your fucking, there's our fucking answer. 20, let's say 20 fucking 3 years. Which is gonna equal 23 years. Yeah, alright, we got that one. Alright, what's D? Suppose the population took 10 years to double. What growth rate would be required for that to happen? X, which is the power of 10, equals 2 log. Wait, I feel like I can't do my cheaty bullshit anymore. What? Okay, so it's saying it took 10 years to double. This is the rate at which, this is the rate our shit's growing at, and it was this times 2, so we're looking for the rate equals 2. Oh fuck, how do I do this? Do I just log 10 both? So I do log... Oh my god. Wait, how do I get the X by itself, guys?
Number 15.
Thanks for the following, Yuki Mafiu Asashina. Bro, Mafiu would fucking get me right now. Mafiu would be running laps of me doing this. I'm gonna do cleanup while listening to the streamer do math. Very relaxing. Love. Wait. Log of 10 equals 2? Am I stupid? How do I move the 2? How do I get rid of the fucking 10? Can I just do like X equals log? No, this is so wrong, isn't it? I feel like this is so wrong. I don't, there's no way this is right. Mafia you mentioned. Bro, Mafia would do this better. There's no way. Hold on. Guys, I don't know about you, but oh my god, guys, I got the answer. It's fucking huge. It's 1.7. It's 7% growth rate. Whoa, guys, I got the answer. Huge. What is it? 7.18%. I got that all on my own with no external help. That's crazy. 7.7%. Crazy work. Yeah. Don't act. Oh, I don't know about this guy. Don't see that. Okay, well, that's a completed question for me. Thanks, guys. I totally did it on my own. I love Wolf. God, this carried me so hard throughout university. Like, I cannot describe to you how much it saved my ass over the years. All right, let's try another one. What the fuck is grouped? Yo, linear algebra. Yo, y'all wanna do some? Should we y equals mx plus b up in here? Oh, you meant matrices. Oh fuck. Bro, what's a lambda? What's an... Oh, bro, are we eigening vector in this bitch? Let H be the set of all real points, x, y, z, and r squared in a dimension with 3 fucking thingies that satisfy the condition that is H a subspace of R? Hold on, thinking. Oh, Lord, he coming again. Yeah, he's definitely coming back. Do I even attempt this? No, this is low-key hard. Linear algebra? Wait, I didn't realize it was this linear algebra we're talking about. Oh, hold on. What's the definition of a subspace again? Fuck. What is a subspace? Linear algebra. I'll give myself 10 minutes to do just fucking A. Just 411. Let me use this. Oh yeah, Georgia, learn the definition of a subspace. A subspace of Rn is a collection of points in Rn. For instance, a unit circle is a subspace of R squared. This is what I want. No, this is a subspace. Yeah, I want subspace, not sub. Yeah, oh wait. The 0 vectors in it. Wait, a subspace of Rn is a subspace of R satisfied. 0 vectors in it, okay. If U and V are in thing, then the plus is also in thing. Oh, okay. Wait, I actually can solve this. Holy shit, I got the definitions. I'm solving this in 10 minutes. Okay, I'm sitting up. I'm stretching. No, I'm doing this. But I know it's subspace emissary from Super Smash Bros. Alright. What is... Okay, there is so much I have to explain. How to explain a subspace? Okay, so we just need to prove one. The motherfucking 0 vectors in here. What the fuck is the 0 vector again? Holy shit, no way I'm googling what the 0 vector is right now. Oh my god, has magnitude equals 0? I'm pretty sure 0 vector is in this bitch, right? Am I crazy? I'm pretty sure 0 vector... The 0v motherfucker... How do we prove it that way? So... I literally don't even remember what the fucking 0 vector proof is. How the fuck? Am I fucking dumb? Yeah, I haven't taken this in like 5 years. Oh my god. Bro, I can't believe I'm checking this. I haven't seen this. I'm not ready. They're very unique. If AV for some reason vector, then AV are proved by V. Bro, it's literally just 0, 0, 0. I can't believe that. I was just like, bro, I can't believe I got it. 0 squared plus 0 squared minus 3. Boom. All right, now we need to prove for U, B, inside. This is the wrong syntax, by the way. I'm so sure I'm not supposed to use, but I'm just gonna fucking use this. All right, we need to prove u plus v is in this motherfucker. Okay, so if I just take, let's say, u squared plus, let's say just fucking a squared plus b squared minus c squared equals 0. I know this one's in there. Fuck. Holy shit. Wait. 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 Oh. Oh, fuck. Wait, give me... This better be true. If this is not true, I'm gonna be so annoyed that I'm just assuming it's true right now. Right? Yeah, we have... Okay, yeah. D squared plus E squared minus F squared equals 0. And this is in V. And this is in V. And I need to prove the plus of these motherfuckers in here. Alright, so A squared plus B squared minus C squared plus D squared plus E squared minus F squared 0. I'm lost in the sauce. I'm lost. You know the worst part is, I 100% knew how to do this before. I 100% knew how to at least, like, approach this before. We believe in you. I'm trying. Are vectors? Hold on, I'm thinking. Oh, wait, I'm being stupid. I'm being stupid. No, I'm being so dumb. Erase this. I'm being so dumb. I'm being so stupid. I'm being dumb. 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 I'm being so dumb. We have A, B, C, and then we have D, E, F. This is like our U, this is our V. This is in V. Oh shit, oh shit. No, my brain's popping off. Alright, now we have to prove U plus V. Okay, that's a V, by the way. We learn math to calculate crystals to spark an upcoming gotcha. That's why we learn math. Yeah. Hold on, and then I feel about 30% stupider than the beginning of the stream. None of you were supposed to know any of this, by the way. Okay, now sum these together. So it becomes. Am I doing this right? Am I doing this right? Am I doing this right? No. No, I'm doing this right. No, I am doing this right. This is math. Where are the numbers? I'm doing this right. I feel like I'm on it. I feel like I'm somewhere. I took one step in the right direction here. Oh. Yeah, and this is in the set of real numbers. This ain't math, this letter bullshit. I'm going in the right direction. And this was the cancel out some bullshit. Yeah, something like that. Hold up. Oh, fuck. I feel like I'm there, but I'm not there. I'm in the right direction. But now what? But the other thing that I'm done. Wait, am I supposed to be doing this? I had that before, but I felt like this was wrong. It's one of these two. It's one of these two, and I don't know which one. It's either this one or this one. Which one exactly? I'm not sure. Cat, what is DEF? Definition, duh. Fuck. Oh, I'm so close. What the fuck is it, bro? Oh no, guys, the timer, it's almost up. That's crazy. Oh my god, our 10 minutes are up. We have to stop now. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh no, the 10 minutes are up. We can't keep going anymore. We have to go on the next question. That's crazy. ERAZY crazy. Oh, so unfortunate. We have to move on. We were looking at linear algebra. That's what. Someone submitted fucking linear algebra to this math stream. No way, I was trying to find a counterexample. Oh god. Okay. Bro, there's so much linear algebra in here. That's crazy. Some of you, I swear to god. Some of you just, how many of you just submitted so much more linear algebra right now? Oh, hell no. Absolutely not. It says the word midterm at the top of this, bro. Suppose eigenvector 1 equals 2 plus square root of the eigenvalue of 8. Bro, hell no. The moment I see the word eigenvalue, I'm out of here. Okay, I'm about to eigen my fucking eyes out. That was my bro, I'm not doing your midterm. There's no way. Who put the unit circle? Someone put, wait, what is circular measures? What? The diagram shows a sector OPQ a circle. With center O and radius RCM, the angle POQ is dot radius. You know what I forgot to do today, guys? My Duolingo! I actually didn't do my Duolingo. Unironically, I forgot to do it. I was too busy moving. I need to do my Duolingo real quick. Give me a second. Give me a second.
Semai.
Semai. Yo, let me get my Duolingo done. What is Sashimasu?
Sashimasu.
Yeah.
Semai. Suzushii.
Yeah, Duolingo babies.
Semai.
Duolingo.
Tsumimashita.
Tsumimashita. Hell yeah.
Tsumimashita.
Tsumimashita.
Tsugi.
Tsugi next.
Tsumimasen.
Tsumimasen.
夜は涼しいです。
Yoru wa sushi desu. What the fuck is sushi?
涼しい。
It is cool at night.
次の駅で降ります。
Oh shit, hold on, I need to fix it. Hold on. Before I do my Duolingo, I have to do one thing. I have to change a setting on my computer. Alright. Miss me with this bullshit. Oh, what is some... No, I'm not doing eigenvector. Oh no, okay. Now this guy just saying... Now this guy's making up words. Duolingo's the world's greatest... Exactly. Sugi no eki de... Oh, what is it?
降ります。
What is it?
次の駅で降ります。
Orimasu? Okay. I will get off at the next station. Train station! Train station. Yep.
この道は狭いです。
Kono michi wa sen. This path is...
しかし、今日は涼しくないです。
However, Shikashi, Kyo wa... It... Not cool today. Oh, it
今日
isn't.
は涼しくないです。
I was supposed to submit one submission. Ah, it doesn't matter. I will get off at the next train station. Oh, okay.
今日は涼しくないです。
Kyowa. Suzushi. Naidas.
この部屋は狭いです。
This room is small. Wait, no.
この部屋は狭いです。
Semi. You can use semi for small? Really?
狭い。
Oh, it's narrow. Okay. Tsugi no eki de odorimasu. I used the wrong fucking kanji. God damn it. Okay, hold on. Oh, there's Soko de Ishoni. What the fuck is straight? It didn't tell me what straight is. It literally did not give me straight. Oh my god. Dochiro wo masugu fucking susumimashou. It didn't even tell me what susumi fucking was. Okay. Sugi. Semai. Machi. Omes. Michi. Michi. Oh, I actually got it right. That's crazy. I was actually wait. I actually used all my brain power here. Hold on. Wait, I actually got it right. Holy shit! I thought I was getting it wrong. Sugi no eki orima. Yes, sir. What did I tell you my show, bro? It's my bro. Dochira wo masugu susumimash. Huge. Sugi no eki de orimasu. Orimasu. Okay, my Duolingo streak has been saved. That's kind of lame of them. Okay, I know people are like, that's so like lame of Duolingo. You guys are holding Duolingo to an unreasonable standard. Every fucking startup, every tech startup on the planet has called themselves AI first. Like, I think for people to give Duolingo shit is stupid. Bro, you know how every single, I'm telling you, like 8 out of 10 tech startups have just said they're AI first. Like, yeah, it hurts their brand a bit from like, but from like a tech company standpoint, like everyone's saying AI first. If you guys think like if you as a person were like, if a company says AI first, I'm gonna drop the company. Bro, you should drop half the websites you use. I'm being so for real. Half of the websites and apps you use have all declared themselves AI first. You use a single Adobe app, they're all AI first. You use a single Google app, it's AI first. What does that mean? It means nothing. It's just a fucking marketing term. It's just a way for them to like jump on the hype stream. It also means nothing. It's just it's just a shareholder buzzword now. Like if AI bothers you that much, you literally have to stop using every single program you own. Like, if you're like, oh, AI first, I'm gonna stop using Duolingo, bro, you have to, like, if you're gonna stick to your fucking word, you have to drop, like, half the Do you guys like Notion? You have to drop Notion. You guys like Figma? You have to drop Figma. Like, it's just bullshit. It's just bullshit. Like, yeah, it's shitty Duolingo's, like, hopping on the AI train, but, like, bro, the last company I'm at, they literally just jumped on the AI train at 2, and, like, your Diamond League, damn. There was a few times I got to the finals, but only when I get the 3 days of premium, like free trial. Yeah, like if, like also half the time you have to realize, like even half the employees of these companies couldn't give a flying fuck that they're using AI. It's like some dude higher up at the tree who just like, bro, we gotta get on this, and then they kind of shove it down the throat, down the company, and then everyone's kind of stuck using. Like. It's like Duolingo being AI is not indicative of like the company itself. It's indicative of one fucking dude, one white guy way up there who's in charge, who really likes the idea of it, but actually has no idea how to use it. But that's my spiel because yeah, AI is bad, but I think it's like unfair that you're gonna fucking burn Duolingo at the stake when Adobe is so much worse. You're far in. Oh, yeah, dude, I'm on 357, almost a year streak. Guys, if you really hate, like, AI, you should, like, burn all Adobe products. Bro, Adobe has, like, in their terms of agreement, if you use their product, AI, like, in their terms of agreement, when you click yes, you have agreed to let Adobe use every single thing you've made in the app, train their fucking AIs shit themselves. So like, let's say you're like, oh, I bought Photoshop. You use Photoshop. You make a cool ass drawing of Mafuyu. Adobe, your terms of agreements, Adobe's like, I'm gonna fucking use this Mafuyu picture you just made in Photoshop, train my fucking AI with it, and you said yes, you can't do shit. Yeah, it's like Duolingo AI is not that bad because to me the only thing they're using AI for is literally like, we're gonna give you more personalized questions, which is kind of fucking stupid. You can code that anyways. You don't need an AI to do that, but whatever. But like, there's so much more insidious use. Always is like so bad. Like, you literally like sign away your shit to be stolen away. GitHub too. GitHub farmed everybody's shit. Like, everybody. Like, GitHub farmed everybody and made fucking their own AI thing. Whether you liked it or not. I don't really care. Most programmers don't care. But still, it's like, oh shit. Yeah, it's like, bro, AI is just a solution looking for a fucking problem. Basically, NFT craze, yep. I'm not that far in because I do one lesson per day. I just do my dailies. Like, I try to get the dailies all checked off. And do Duolingo, try your best. This pic is so scary. Yeah, okay, let's stop. Look, that one's actually terrifying. They got Pinterest. What happened to Pinterest? Near algebra, what does the social stack? What do you mean they got Pinterest? What happened to Pinterest? Isn't Pinterest filled with AI schlop now, I heard? Something like that? This is why you pirating Adobe. Dude, pirate Adobe. I used Adobe, like, properly because my sister had a subscription from school and I installed on my computer. Bro, uninstalling Adobe was the biggest pain in my ass. It was like, I couldn't just uninstall Photoshop. I didn't uninstall Photoshop and then the Adobe Cloud Suite. And then they're like, oh, you have to do the fucking, you need to log out of the account. You can't just uninstall. You have to log out of your account first. Because if you don't log out of your account first, it blocks the installation process. But you get partway through the uninstallation process. So then when you open the app fucking crashes, but just tells you enough that you need to log in, but you can't log in because you uninstalled half of it. So you need to reinstall the, I'm telling you, it's so cancer. DaVinci gang. Use DaVinci. DaVinci Resolve's a good fucking company. No subscriptions. I bought the fucking full thing, man. Predicting and a moderate now? Ooh, that's kind of iffy. Hey, what's this one? Wait, let me see this. Wait, hold on. I'm putting these back on. I just went on enough of a rant about math and shit. What is this? Trachea, please help. I can't visualize. I can't spectralize. Or else it's fucking hilarious. Something that make it difficult to leave the service automatically with 100 points. Yeah, it's just no point in trying to like fucking like force people to stay like that. You'd be surprised, it works on a lot of people. When a bus turns a corner, it must swing out so the rear wheels don't go in the cycle lane. In this picture, as the bus goes around the corner, the front wheel is on the edge of the bike lane, but the rear wheel cuts in the bike lane. Okay. The distance between the front and the rear wheel is called the wheelbase, W. The R represents the radius of the outer edge of the cycle lane. The distance marked X shows the amount by which the rear wheel cuts into the bike lane. Whoa, what? What the fuck? Use the diagram to show... Uh-oh. Word problems. All eight motion? Bro, you people should be using DaVinci. DaVinci Resolve, by far. The best editor. Yeah, what is this? This feels like an engineering question. I know this is just solving... Oh, dude, it fucking says University of Nottingham. Jesus Christ. This feels so difficult. What the fuck? Like, just conceptualizing this diagram is low-key difficult. How do you prove this? X squared minus the distance between 2x and the wheelbase plus... Well, I actually have no idea. I actually have no idea how to even approach this problem. I have no idea. This is beyond me. Guys, you want to do a... Should we just do Khan Academy? My goat, Khan Academy! My goat! Wait, what is it? Yo, y'all need to take this one. On God, some of you need to take this course. What do we got here? Wait, what do we have here? What do we actually have? This is beyond comprehension. Careers, college admissions. Oh, some of y'all need this. I probably do. What do we have here? Get ready. Intro to Python. I low-key need that. I'm not very good at Python and I use it for work technically. It's kind of awkward. Yeah, sir. Wait, NASA just got a whole ass course on here? Wait, that's kind of fucking sick. Yeah, Khan Academy deleted mine too. To be fair, it is a free service, so they probably were trying to save room on their servers, but it still would just like BM, bro. Like, that's so BM. Like, why you gotta delete my account like that? Why you gotta take it so personal, buddy? This one I really can't do. I can't visualize it. Guys, I think after the linear algebra, I'm so out. I'm mentally exhausted myself after the linear algebra, bro. Hold on, what am I being sent? Dude, I just opened the group chat with my friends, and I was like, what are these guys sending to? Bro, they just, what? What the fuck is this? I was like, I got notification Discord. I'm like, oh, what's notification? Bro, what is this? What is this, bro? Like, what are they sending to each other? When you said Khan, I said Kanade. This one make Kanade Academy. What? Billions must try. What is it? What? I gotta ask them later, what is the context of the image? Makes no sense. Sometimes they be up to... Yeah, cappuccino ballerina. Cappuccino ball. I know it. Oh no, we need Kanade's head. This is a better image. I'm just how's the math going, chat? Someone, I said Khan Academy, and someone said I just heard Kanade Academy. So make some art real quick. Arting. This is some of y'all right now. Some of y'all got so much brain rot, you see this. Let me just... What is this font? Probably like Arial. Should have guessed. Get up. Oh, I need to put an A here. Oh wait, the font's actually super small. Wait, why is the font almost identical? This is some of y'all right now. Founder of Khan Academy, Sal Kanade. We figured out Prim's algorithm with this one. I look away for 5 seconds. Don't ever give me access to Photopea, bro. I start making crazy shit in here. My neighbor's name is My Dream Academy. I feel like I could use an asset somewhere. I don't know, screenshot, post it onto the Project Shakai forums, and keep telling people I work at Colorful Palette. Keep that lie going through. Keep the propaganda running through the streets. All right, you can never let people know when I just want to keep people on their toes. Be like, who the hell is Trigonometry? She works at, I don't want people like hear my name and hear completely different stories, and they can meet and they have absolutely no idea which one is true, and they have to discuss and figure it out. Propaganda, I actually work for Colorful Palette. Graphic design is my passion. Hey, you can't tell me I didn't pop off. This looks identical. At a mere glance, you would think it's the same thing. Sal SMP. Okay, well, I think I'm good at the math problems. Some of these fucked me up. Some of these fucked me up. I did say it was gonna be a short one. I know it's like really short, but guys, I need to move. I need to continue moving. The room, I need to pack up the fucking PC like tomorrow. So, I know the short one, guys, but I told you it was gonna be short. I'm telling you, I need to move today. I gotta move. I need to put my things in a box. I didn't interrupt your stream schedule. One more? No, guys, sorry. I got scared off by the linear algebra. The linear algebra kind of made my boots go, ooh. 2 hours is crazy. It's crazy. Some people just stream 2 hours. I can't imagine just 2 hours stream. Let me gamble real quick. Streamer, can you stop everything? Actually, gamble real quick. Can I gamble? Gamble? Yeah, you know what's crazy? You guys want to appreciate the space while it's here? Next week, all of this is gone. You will never see this room again. Like it's gonna look completely fucking different next time, next Friday, all of this gone. Take it in one last fucking time live. You can watch a VOD, but it's not the same. 07, the old room. Bro, I'm telling you, the walls are made of fucking cardboard in this bitch. It's literally, this place is made of cardboard. I ripped up some of the wall, but I had to take a poster of fucking cardboard under this bitch. Will the room get a funeral? No, because I hate living here. This place sucks. My landlord's a streamer, and she's incredibly loud and annoying. For like 5 days a week, I gotta listen to the motherfucker play like FPS games. He's one, bro. It's 1 in the morning on a Thursday. Shut the fuck up. 5 big dooms for the cardboard room. No, 5 big dooms for this room. Never gonna be able to listen to argue again. I haven't heard them argue in a while, but thank the Lord I don't gotta listen to it again. Oh, so help me God. Yeah, they got me the landlord special. Trust me, bro. 5 big dooms. No, actually, I need to make a doom and a boom emoji, like emotes. I feel like doom and boom emotes would be fucking wicked. I gotta add those. See, I blabbed enough that I hit 2 hours 31 seconds. See, it wasn't just a 2-hour stream. I did a little better than that, guys. Come on, come on. All right, I'm closing my tabs. All right, I know it was a short one, but not every single one can be a long one. Thank you for the resub, Axolotl. I appreciate it, girl. 3 months. Huge. Definitely up there in our longest ones. Thank you, Axolotl girl. I appreciate it. Special message is to say goodbye to the old room. It's so iconic. Dude, the new room, I'm gonna get the new room set up. So it's gonna be like, you can see all the cool shit in the background and stuff like that. Like, this wall is so boring. Next one's gonna be way more cool, way more interesting. But I'm gonna be off the grid for next week. Like you need something from me, I will. Give me like 5 business days. The move's happening on Wednesday. It's gonna be very stressful. Justin's fucking work booked him the day before and day after he moved. I was so annoyed. I couldn't believe it. Justin Lee said like, hey dude, I'm busy these days. Can I not work? And they're like, I'll think about it. He looks at his schedule. The day before we move, he works the clothing shift. And the next day, after we move, he also works again. You guys can use sub messages and YouTube members. Wait, I didn't know YouTube members could do this. That's crazy. Goodbye, oh, Trey Kids old room. Hello, new Trey house. You guys, I'm sure when the move happens, you hear lots. We will be here. Let's get the goodbye music. Let's get our final announcement. Oh, pop. Days are coming to the stream. Trying something new. I appreciate the resub, Rainbow. Thank you, girl. Guys, trying something new. Sometimes it hit. Sometimes it doesn't hit that hard. Today was way harder than I thought it would be. My brain low-key tired. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back live next week in the new Trey house. Base Clan, thank you for the resub, Bleep. I appreciate it. 5 big dooms for the room. Doom. Next Friday we will do more. Well, spoiler, we're doing more. Next week. We're having another one of those. We're doing another one next week. So we want to see who's gonna get executed next week. We're gonna kill some more characters on Friday. You'll find out. Maybe the green stream comes back. Who knows? We're gonna kill some more people on Friday. And then Saturday's Cookie Run fucking Kingdom. Motherfucker, we're gonna do over like 400 pulls on Saturday. I'm being so for real. We're doing 400 pulls on Saturday. If you're a Cookie Run Kingdom motherfucker, you should. I'm not clickbait. 400 pulls. I've been saving them up. So if you want to do some gamba, come Friday. Come Friday, trust me. You guys are gonna be shocked at how far I've gone to Turn Kingdom in 1 month.
Here we go
Thanks for
again.
subbing, I appreciate it, Fairy. With the executions, we're gonna kill some people and then we're gonna gamba. What a good weekend. So come on next week. Join the Discord, follow on the Twitch, subscribe on the YouTube, like the fucking live stream. You fuckers on YouTube, like it. Subscribe on YouTube, follow on Twitch, go to Discord. I'll see you guys at the new house. Fuck this room.